Hi, I'm Jasper and I'm going to give you a really quick demo of how to build a simple two-tier web app with chill code. So here we are on my home screen. It lists all my existing apps: Curve Server, Price Engine, Static Data Service. These are kind of typical banking apps. I'm going to create a new app from scratch. We'll call it Demo. So I'm going to add a description because all apps you build in shellcode are by default public and can be searched for. A simple two-tier web app. Once I've added some layers, the URL I've highlighted will be a public page for the app which people can search for, find, hit the clone button and deploy your design to their own cloud in a few seconds. So let's go ahead and do that design. I click on add layer, we'll build a layer called web server and we'll search for Django. So these are all the pieces of software in our library with Django as a keyword. Let's go find, there we go, Django 1.10. I'm also going to select a build file which has come from my GitHub credentials, which when you add your credentials for GitHub, we scan through, search all your build files so you can include them as part of a deployment. I'm going to add a new layer now, database. And we'll use Maria. There we go. Search Maria. That's Maria there. And that's it. That's the design done. If I go and click on the URL, this is the cloning page. So this is the public page, describes what you've done, simple two-tier web app, different layers. And if I wanted to, or anyone else, can hit the clone button and then they can reproduce it themselves. But let's go back now to the design. We'll create an environment. Let's call this QA. I'm going to deploy to my default site, which is AWS in the Ireland data center. We shall add another instance. We'll make this a large instance. The advantage here is that you can create different environments on different clouds really quickly. You can choose effectively the cost of your environment. Is it one instance every layer runs on? Are they small instances, big instances? If it's production, you'll probably want to run on big instances for each layer, splitting those layers out between compute instances. So that's what I'm going to do here. Hit save. And all I need to do now is hit deploy. I'll go over to my AWS console. This is the AWS dashboard. And here we can see now two machines are spinning up. We have instantiated those machines, and once the machines are up, chill code will then install the software that we have defined to each of those instances and start that software so the service is up and running with your source code. We are done. Chill.